Hey, hi, welcome. My name's Alan Simpson, and first of all, I'd like to thank you for checking out my course titled PowerPoint Animations and Video for Online Instructors. Some of you may think of PowerPoint as a tool for giving slideshow presentations. Some of you may be familiar with the phrase death by PowerPoint, which if you Google, you'll get nearly 2 million hits, most of which are articles trying to help you make your PowerPoints less boring. You might also find some good motivational posters you can print up and hang around your studio or office. But this course really isn't about any of that. This course is about using the animation and video capabilities of PowerPoint to create more compelling and engaging online presentations and courses, without the need for complex equipment, green screens, or advanced computer skills. Here we're all about video and mashups for standalone presentations like a Udemy course or a YouTube movie. Some of them just are simple things like putting text on a talking head video like you saw there, or maybe putting your video down in the corner while you have a picture and text appearing elsewhere on the screen. Or maybe you're teaching a computer course and you need to have some computer screen going on in the background and you still want some talking head going on in the corner. I'll show you how to record the screen without using Camtasia Studio or ScreenFlow, just tools you already have that you can use for free right in PowerPoint or elsewhere. We'll also cover my personal favorite, the kind of fun and funky stick figure animated tutorial with zero marketing slick but tons of educational value. I'll also show you lots of resources for finding free stock footage and background music and sound effects, and show you how to combine those in whatever way works for your particular presentation, whatever you think will appeal to your audience. Now, for the rest of this course introduction, I'm going to talk about myself for a bit. If that sounds like too much of a total snooze fest, you're welcome to skip the rest of this and move on to the next lecture. My name is Alan Simpson, and I've been in the computer biz for almost as long as computers have been around. My day job is that of web developer, meaning I write computer code for websites. That kind of puts me into the nerdiest of all the computer nerd categories. During the course of my career, I've written software for everything from small businesses to huge government contracts requiring a secret security clearance. Despite my nerdy day job, my college master's degree is actually in the psychology of learning, and I've been teaching and writing about this stuff for almost as long as I've been doing it. In fact, I've written over 100 computer books and have had literally millions of readers and students from all over the world in a career that has spanned decades. Now, I know that these days, when everyone is an author, a teacher, and a publisher, it's not always easy to commit to a course that costs money. So I always make the first few lessons in my video courses free. That way you can check it out without making any commitment. If the course seems too fast, too slow, too whatever for you, you can just walk away, no hassle. So if you're thinking this course might have something to offer you in terms of your own creativity or productivity, come on over to the next lesson and we'll get right into it.